Alright, this tutorial video is going to go over how to successfully complete the infographic live challenge. For this challenge, you're going to be given a set of data and you're going to have to create your own graph and answer a couple of questions. To begin, you want to read the scenario. In this case, this one talks about you are a team of biologists and you're trying to fight a certain type of dangerous bacteria. And it shows that you've done a couple of tests and it's showing how many bacteria cells were alive after a certain number of hours with the treatment. To turn this data into a graph, you're most likely going to have to enter it by hand because I believe the judges will just be giving you a paper copy of this. But I get to just copy the numbers from the data table, and then we'll most likely be using Excel to create your graph. You really could do this in PowerPoint just like what we did for our posters, or you can do it in Word, but Excel is really the easiest and the best place to do this. Really easy way to find it if it's not on the start menu is just type in EXE and that should bring it up, Microsoft Excel. And then this is where you're going to have to enter your data. Again, I can just paste mine. If you don't have a digital copy of the data, you're just going to type it in. So in this case, it was just 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4, 5, or 6 hours, and these were the number of cells that were still around. Then, to create a graph, if you're going to highlight all of the data, just click on the first box, then drag the mouse to the last one, and then go to Insert, and then these different types of charts. So the best type of chart for this type of data is going to be a scatter chart or a XY chart, and it compares pairs of values. And so we're going to be clicking on that one. And then you have a couple different choices down here. I usually recommend the scatter with only markers. There's a chance that if the data is out of order, the line can get really messed up, so it's best to just choose markers. And right there's my graph.